Hi everyone, welcome back to First the Coffee Crochet. In this stitch tutorial, we're going to go over how to do the sedge stitch. I use this stitch in several different patterns that I have. Now when it comes to the sedge stitch, I do mine just a bit differently on starting out my rows than the regular tutorials have. And just to show you why, if you notice here in this small swatch, how it kind of bows up at the top and cinches in on the sides here. Now, if you're really good with tension, you usually won't have this problem. But if you're one of those people that tends to hold your yarn tight, this can happen even more exaggerated than this is. Now on this swatch, as you can see, it doesn't really bow up here. Nice and straight on the sides. And what I do differently is instead of starting each row with a half double crochet and then a double crochet, I actually start it with a single crochet, then a half double crochet and a double crochet. So there is one extra stitch in my rows of sedge stitches, but in the end, the only result that changes is just your sides and the top, especially if you do tend to hold your yarn tight and have tight tension. Okay, so to do the sedge stitch this way, when starting from a foundation chain, you need to have a multiple of 3 plus 2. So I'm going to start with 3 multiples of 3, so 9, and then add 2 more and have a chain of 11. For your first stitch, you'll be starting in the second chain from your hook. Do a single crochet, so let's insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. Then in the same stitch, we're going to do a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And then again in the same stitch, you're going to do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. So that'll give us 3 stitches in that first stitch. Then we're going to skip 2 chains, and then in the next chain, we're going to do that again. So a single crochet, and then in that same stitch, a half double crochet, and then in the same stitch, a double crochet. And then skip 2 chains and do it all over again. Single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Now when you're at the end and you have 3 chains left, you're going to skip 2, but we're not going to do the single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet in this last one. We're only going to do just 1 single crochet stitch. So then you'll chain 1, turn your work, and now we'll be starting in this first stitch here. So you'll be doing the same thing. Start with a single crochet, and then a half double crochet in that same stitch, and then a double crochet in the same stitch. We're going to skip 2 stitches, and then in this third one here, do a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Skip 2 stitches again, and then single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Right, and then when you have 3 stitches left, if you're looking from the top, that last stitch is going to look like it's down on the side here. You're going to skip these 2, and then in this last one, you're going to do a single crochet stitch. And then you'll be starting a new row, so just chain 1, turn, and you just repeat the same thing across again. And that's how you do the sedge stitch. And I'll leave a link down below for the patterns that I mentioned before that use this stitch. Thanks for watching, and if you like these tutorials, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified as new ones come out.